Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're talking about a DIY blend that can replace your store-bought retinol niacinamide serum. If you're looking for a natural and gentle alternative to traditional skincare products, then this blend of rosehip, avocado, carrot oil, frankincense, grapeseed oil, and geranium oil may be just what you need. So watch the video till end, so you don't miss out any information. Let's begin. Let's start with the carrier oils. We will use 2 milliliters each of carrot seed oil. Carrot seed oil is rich in beta-carotene, which is a powerful antioxidant that helps to protect the skin from free radical damage. It lightens the skin by reducing dark spots. You can check the video link for carrot oil in description below or in I button to make homemade carrot oil. We will add 2 milliliters of avocado oil to the blend. It is non-greasy oil that absorbs quickly into the skin. It is a collagen producer and a source for biotin, which will keep your skin hydrated and give you a youthful skin. I have shared my homemade avocado oil link in description below, so do check out the easy steps in making this golden oil. We will take 1 milliliter of rosehip oil. This oil helps to improve skin texture, reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, even out skin tone and lighten the skin tone. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a new upload. Next, we will add 10 drops of grapeseed oil to the blend. Grapeseed oil is a lightweight and non-greasy oil that absorbs quickly into the skin. We will add 3 drops of turmeric essential oil to the blend. Turmeric essential oil is a powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory ingredient that's great for the skin. It helps to brighten the skin and reduce the appearance of dark spots. Add 6 to 7 drops of frankincense essential oil to the blend. Frankincense essential oil is great for reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It's also known to improve skin tone and elasticity. We will also add 5 drops of rose geranium essential oil, which is another great anti-aging ingredient. It helps to balance the skin's natural oils. I am sure you will fall in love with this serum once you make this, and the natural fragrance of essential oil is so enchanting and mesmerizing that it will linger all day long. Mix all the ingredients. To make a blend of these ingredients, simply mix them together in a small glass dropper bottle. You can adjust the ratios of each ingredient to suit your skin type and preferences. For example, if you have dry skin, you may want to use more avocado oil, while oily skin types may prefer more grapeseed oil. To use the blend, apply a few drops to your face and neck after cleansing and toning. Gently massage the oil into your skin using upward circular motions. You can use this blend in the morning and at night to achieve healthy, radiant, and youthful-looking skin. And that's it, guys. This DIY blend is a great alternative to traditional skincare products and is gentle and effective for improving the appearance and health of your skin. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips and DIYs. Thanks for watching.